today. We're unboxing the Alice Samantha. And this. It's cool. Watch the eventual movie. It just came out. I just bought it today. PG time. I don't know why. Everyone here watch it. It's good. Let's try it. 1990. Oh, that dropped down. Wow. It has a cover. This. This. Here's this. Shiny. Clean. This. That's the video, guys. Hope you like it. Please subscribe.